Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to invite friends to like your Facebook page. Why would you want to know how to invite friends to like your Facebook page? Well, maybe it is your first time using Facebook and not sure how to invite friends to like your Facebook page. So today I am going to show you how to invite friends to like your Facebook page. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Inviting friends to like your Facebook page is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will invite friends to like your Facebook page. First of all, open Facebook app in your device, and now here is my Facebook home screen. Now first click on three lines in the right top corner and click on pages. Now select any page and then click on three dots. Now in this page click on invite friends. Now select your friends and then click on send invites in the bottom of this page, and invites has been sent to your friend. So there you go. If you were wondering how to invite friends to like your Facebook page, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.